Hi and welcome to Ramp Champ, Australia's largest range of ramps. My name is Matt and today we're going to be having a look at the Heeve H14 1.3-tonne aluminium loading ramps. These loading ramps are made entirely from aluminium. They are folding, they fold in half when not in use, and have a maximum height of approximately 900 millimeters. They have a positive connection, which means that they come with a pin and a hole in the connection plate, so that when you're using your ramps, you simply insert the pin through the hole into your vehicle, creating a positive connection, which means your ramps will not move while in use. These ramps are constructed of heavy duty grade aluminium, featuring two large rails down the side and also a large supporting rail in the middle for extra stability, and the rungs are solid aluminium as well, featuring grooved edges here so that when using the ramps you have maximum traction. These ramps can be used in pairs and have a total capacity of 1.36 tonnes, so 1360 kilos. If they're being used individually for loading things like motorbikes, they have a maximum capacity for each ramp of 680 kilograms. So with each ramp includes a safety strap, so if you are not able to use the pin connection method, perhaps maybe your vehicle can't have a hole drilled into it to be able to insert the pin, then of course you can use the safety strap to be able to wrap around the ramp and could then connect to your vehicle, so an area such as your tow bar or something like that. These ramps also come with an optional heavy duty canvas carry bag to protect your ramps when not in use, and also to protect your vehicle in case the ramps have mud or dirt or debris on them. You can simply put the ramps in the bag, stow them away, and they'll be protected from the elements, and they'll also protect your car as well. So grab yourself a set of the Heeve H14 heavy duty loading ramps at Ramp Champ today by visiting www.rampchamp.com.au or calling our friendly experts on 1300 913 047 today.